seeing the look on their faces, hearing some of the discussions, and seeing people relax into it and just taking it all in, really.
Being in a classroom with young people who are really keen to know how to behave, and the idea that kids are out of control and they want to be bad or naughty is simply not true. They're really, really interested in the stories that adults have to tell about their lives and personal stories, and they really do get very engaged with the whole process. So I just love being in classrooms.
I wished I'd had diversity role models when I was at school. It would have helped me enormously, and being able to give that back to others to benefit is the best thing.
Seeing the changes that happen in the moment with the students, it's literally, you can see from the beginning when you've got kids who are cynical or they're unsure or they're nervous about what we're about to talk about, and then by the end they're totally convinced that actually there's something that they could do to help make their school more safe for LGBTQ young people and the people around them.
The best thing about being a role model is how rewarding it feels, but to know that you've impacted maybe 1 or 2 people in a school day and had the opportunity to communicate to anything between 80 and 150 kids in a school day. It's incredible.
I feel the best thing about being a role model is going into such diverse schools. I meet and go into schools about once a month, and they're all so different. But the other lovely thing is I have met so many other really interesting, lovely people who are also role models who normally I wouldn't have met at all. And the nice thing is that often I meet them again and again. So we have a bit of history, which is lovely.